From the leaders in externally mounted thrusters, SideShift introduces the world's first patent-pending outboard-mounted thruster, unlocking a new level of control for any outboard or sterndrive powered boat. The ST230OB is a single prop thruster, perfect for smaller outboard-powered boats from 16 to 35 feet, and is the ideal control solution for pontoon boats. The ST340 and 350OB are perfect for larger boats, up to 60 feet in length. This dual-prop thruster provides the power you need for larger vessels and is the ideal complement to your existing OEM or SideShift bow thruster. Even better, the SideShift dual joystick and wireless remote will fully integrate with your existing thruster to provide an all-in-one control solution for any boat. Both the single and dual prop thrusters attach easily to the cavitation plate of any outboard or IO. Installation is so easy, it can even be done with a boat in the water. The unique mounting position creates zero drag as the thruster rides above the water when the boat is on plane. Unlike other thrusters, there's no bulky tunnel or transom mount bracket required. And like all SideShift systems, no holes are drilled into the hull of your boat below the waterline. Your all-inclusive kit comes with all mounting hardware, 10-foot wiring harness, motor controller, wireless joystick and key fob, battery switch, and fuse with digital voltage monitor. And SideShift technical assistance is always just a call away. Experience a new level of control you never thought possible until now. Make stressful docking situations a thing of the past with SideShift's new outboard-mounted stern thrusters. Get yours today at sideshift.com.